Godot versus Unreal Engine. Which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you develop games without unnecessary complexity. Godot offers simplicity and flexibility, while Unreal Engine provides high-end visuals and power. Godot and Unreal Engine are two popular game engines with distinct approaches. Godot is open source and lightweight, ideal for 2D and indie projects. Unreal Engine is a powerful, feature-rich engine focused on AAA quality 3D graphics and performance. Godot is an open-source game engine designed for both 2D and 3D game development. It features a user-friendly interface and a unique scene system that allows developers to create reusable game elements efficiently. Godot uses its own scripting language, GDScript, which is easy to learn and similar to Python, making it accessible to beginners and indie developers. The engine supports multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, enabling wide distribution. Strengths of Godot include its lightweight design, fast iteration times, and no licensing fees, which makes it ideal for small teams and hobbyists. However, Godot's 3D capabilities, while improving, are less advanced compared to high-end engines, and it lacks some built-in tools found in commercial engines. Overall, Godot is perfect for developers seeking flexibility, ease of use, and a strong open-source community, especially for 2D games or simpler 3D projects. Unreal Engine is a comprehensive, industry-leading game engine developed by Epic Games, renowned for its high-fidelity 3D graphics and robust toolset. It uses C++ and Blueprints, a visual scripting system allowing both programmers and non-programmers to build complex gameplay mechanics. Unreal Engine excels in creating photorealistic environments and supports advanced rendering techniques, physics simulation, and real-time ray tracing. The engine is widely used by AAA studios and for virtual production, architectural visualization, and simulations. Strengths include its powerful editor, extensive marketplace assets, and strong support for large-scale projects. Licensing is free up to a revenue threshold, after which royalties apply, which may be a consideration for commercial developers. Unreal's complexity and resource requirements mean it has a steeper learning curve and demands more powerful hardware. It's ideal for teams aiming to deliver high-end 3D visuals and immersive experiences, especially in large or graphically intensive games. Comparing Godot and Unreal Engine highlights a trade-off between simplicity and power. Godot's lightweight open-source nature makes it perfect for indie developers focusing on 2D games or smaller 3D projects with limited budgets. Its fast iteration and ease of learning help teams move quickly without licensing concerns. Unreal Engine, on the other hand, provides unmatched graphical fidelity and advanced tools suited for AAA quality games and large teams. It handles complex 3D scenes and visual effects with ease but requires more technical expertise and hardware resources. For example, a solo developer creating a 2D platformer will benefit from Godot's simplicity, while a studio building a photorealistic open-world game will gain from Unreal's capabilities. Choosing between them depends on project scope, team size, and desired visual quality. Choose Godot if you want an accessible open-source engine focused on rapid development and 2D or simple 3D games with minimal overhead. Unreal Engine is the best choice for developers targeting high-end 3D visuals and complex gameplay, especially in large-scale or AAA projects. Both engines excel in their niches, so select the one that aligns with your project goals and technical expertise.